Again, we one more day again at Faith Lighthouse Restoration Ministry. We have just received our food drop off, and we in the process of arranging now to remove these from the pallets, and we'll be having them stacked inside. And of course some things are gonna have to be set up on the outside for the day. And this is the start of the day. We have a few people so far coming out, and there are some people who are now start to get their ticket to join the line, and these are some early ones. Distribution start at 12:30, so there will be a lot more people that will be around. There is our volunteer. We have one of our chaplain with us this morning, and everyone is busy at this time arranging. They're all arranging, and we are grateful again to God for the blessing He bestowed upon the Faith Lighthouse Restoration Ministry here at 50 Lexington Avenue and in Norwalk, Connecticut. And we of course are most grateful for the help that we can offer to this community. We look forward to your support in whatever way you can.